Hi, I'm Jojo, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Start the clock. Monday, the whole school arrived back after a restful weekend, energized for a new week of learning. The virtue of this week, thankfulness. Tuesday, grade 5 students worked on their fairground projects in IPC, while grade 6s presented their natural disasters projects. Wednesday, early years showed plenty of joyfulness and holiday spirit in their annual Christmas nativities. Thursday, grade 4 students were filled with enthusiasm as they made their own pizzas to end their Bake It unit, while classes in grade 3 showed plenty of diligence in their forces animations. Finally, grade 2s demonstrated tons of creativity in art as they finished off their ancient Egyptian amulets. Friday was the end of a very busy second to last week, where students left school looking forward to the weekend and the final week of school for the term next week. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jojo, and we'll see you again next time.